Welcome to Indian Geography Complete Revision. This video contains important facts for UPSC, SSC, Railway, Banking and State PSC examinations. Let's begin. On which continent is India located?
Asia,
In which hemisphere is India primarily located?
Northern Hemisphere,
Through how many Indian states does the Tropic of Cancer pass?
8,
What is the latitudinal extent of mainland India?
8 degree 4 N to 37 degree 6 N,
What is the longitudinal extent of India?
68 degree 7 E to 97 degree 25 E,
What is India's standard meridian?
82 degree 30 E,
How much is Indian Standard Time ahead of GMT?
5.5 hours,
Which ocean lies to the south of India?
Indian Ocean,
What is India's rank among the world's largest countries by area?
7th,
With which country does India share its longest international border?
Bangladesh,
Which country is located to the northwest of India?
Pakistan,
Which country is located to the east of India?
Myanmar,
Which island countries are situated south of India?
Maldives and Sri Lanka,
Which is the southernmost point of India?
Indira Point,
In which island group is Indira Point located?
Nicobar Islands,
Which is the northernmost union territory of India?
Ladakh,
What is the approximate length of India's coastline?
7,516 kilometers,
Which sea lies to the west of India?
Arabian Sea,
Which water body lies to the east of India?
Bay of Bengal,
Near which city does India's standard meridian pass?
Mirzapur,
How many states are there in India at present?
28,
How many union territories are there in India at present?
8,
What is the capital city of India?
New Delhi,
Which is the largest state in India by area?
Rajasthan,
Which is the smallest state in India by area?
Goa,
Which state has the largest population in India?
Uttar Pradesh,
Which union territory includes New Delhi?
Delhi,
What is the approximate geographical area of India?
3.28 million SQ kilometer,
Which latitude divides India almost into two equal halves?
Tropic of Cancer,
Which state is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer?
Bihar,
Which is the easternmost state of India?
Arunachal Pradesh,
Which is the westernmost state of India?
Gujarat,
Which is the southernmost point of mainland India?
Kanyakumari,
Which neighboring country is separated from India by the Polk Strait?
Sri Lanka,
Which neighboring country is known as the land of the Thunder Dragon?
Bhutan,
How many countries share a land border with India?
7,
Which of the following countries does not share a border with India?
Indonesia,
In which region of Asia is India located?
South Asia,
On which side of India is the Bay of Bengal located?
East,
On which side of India is the Arabian Sea located?
West,
Jaipur is the capital city of which state?
Rajasthan,
Lucknow is the capital city of which state?
Uttar Pradesh,
Bhopal is the capital city of which state?
Madhya Pradesh,
Dispur is the capital city of which state?
Assam,
Gangtok is the capital city of which state?
Sikkim,
In which water body are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands located?
Bay of Bengal,
In which water body are the Lakshadweep Islands located?
Arabian Sea,
Which union territory is famous for its coral islands?
Lakshadweep.
Which state is known as the gateway to Northeast India?
Assam.
Bangalore is the capital city of which state?
Karnataka.
Hyderabad is the capital city of which state?
Telangana.
Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of which state?
Kerala.
Panji is the capital city of which state?
Goa.
Bhubaneswar is the capital city of which state?
Odisha.
Patna is the capital city of which state?
Bihar.
Ranchi is the capital city of which state?
Jharkhand.
Raipur is the capital city of which state?
Chhattisgarh.
Shimla is the capital city of which state?
Himachal Pradesh.
Dehradun is the capital city of which state?
Uttarakhand.
Itanagar is the capital city of which state?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Imphal is the capital city of which state?
Manipur.
Aswal is the capital city of which state?
Mizoram.
Agartala is the capital city of which state?
Tripura.
Kohima is the capital city of which state?
Nagaland.
Shillong is the capital city of which state?
Meghalaya.
Gandhinagar is the capital city of which state?
Gujarat.
Mumbai is the capital city of which state?
Maharashtra.
Amravati is the capital city of which state?
Andhra Pradesh.
Kolkata is the capital city of which state?
West Bengal.
Which union territory serves as the capital of both Punjab and Haryana?
Punjab and Haryana.
What is the easternmost longitude of India?
97 degree 25 E.
What is the westernmost longitude of India?
68 degree 7 E.
Which of the following states is crossed by the Tropic of Cancer?
Gujarat.
Which of the following states is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer?
Odisha.
Which is the southernmost state on the Indian mainland?
Tamil Nadu.
In which water bodies are India's major island groups located?
Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal.
Which union territory is famous for the cellular jail?
Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Which country lies directly to the north of India?
China.
Which country lies to the west of India?
Pakistan.
Which country lies east of both India and Bangladesh?
Myanmar.
The Indian mainland extends from Kashmir in the north to which place in the south?
Kanyakumari.
Which Indian state has the longest coastline?
Gujarat.
Srinagar serves as the summer capital of which union territory?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Which Indian state is popularly known as God's own country?
Kerala.
Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers?
Punjab.
Which Indian state is popularly called the Spice Garden of India?
Kerala.
Jaipur is the capital city of which state?
Rajasthan.
Lucknow is the capital city of which state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Which union territory is located between Punjab and Haryana?
Chandigarh.
Which Indian state shares a border with both Nepal and Bhutan?
West Bengal.
Which Indian state is closest to Sri Lanka?
Tamil Nadu.
Which strait separates India from Sri Lanka?
Polk Strait.
What is India's official time standard called?
IST.
Indian Standard Time, IST, is calculated based on which longitude?
82 degree 30 E.
Which is the largest state in Northeast India by area?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Which is the largest union territory of India by area?
Ladakh.
Which state is the largest among the seven sister states of Northeast India?
Assam.
Approximately what percentage of the world's land area is covered by India?
2.4%.
What is India's current rank in the world by population?
First.